Hi fashionistas! In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some of the items I recently purchased from Shein for the summer. So maybe I got a little too excited and did some retail therapy on Shein and I went, a tad bit overboard. If this is your first time stopping by, it is so nice to have you. I'm so excited that you came to this corner of the internet because here I talk about different things from style to personal development and just like day-to-day lifestyle stuff. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow my community, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you find it useful. Shein is just one of those websites that I don't know, I think I'm gonna need therapy from my retail therapy addiction. Like I go on Shein, I put stuff in my cart, I check out, and I'm immediately looking for the next thing to buy on Shein. It's crazy. But anyways, I done did it again, and here we are. Yeah, I don't know what to say, really, guys. But I hope you find something that you like, and I'm going to be linking everything in the description box down. If you have any specific questions about sizing or how the quality or anything, you can just reach out to me and I'll be happy to give you my honest review, honest answers. All right, let's begin. Where do we start from? Okay, so the first thing I'll show you is this cropped blazer, and there's gonna be a pop-up of me wearing it right here. But it's a nice cropped blazer. I've always wanted a pink blazer. I don't have any pink blazers. I think it's gonna go with a lot of different things. In this picture, I paired it with a maxi skirt, like a teal maxi skirt, just to give that pop of color. But I really like it because it has this belt thing and you can kind of tie it around to have that cut-out look. And I also try to stay away from structured blazers as much as possible. Like by structured blazers, I mean blazers with like really defined shoulders or like with shoulder pads and stuff. I try to stay away from that because I have broad shoulders and typically I'm not trying to like make that look more visible. So you can tell I went in a little bit on the colors for this haul because I just really love colors, guys. Like they're so exciting and there's just so many things you can do with colors. Like I get the whole neutral trend and just like that sophisticated look. There's a space for that, but I also think that colors are amazing, so I added more colors to my closet. So the next thing I'm going to be showing you is this beautiful mint blue shirt. I was just sold. This color, really, like there's so many things you can do with this. I love that it has this shiny look. I like that actually. Normally I wouldn't, but I actually like that because I feel like there's just an edge to it. But yeah, I also styled it this way. You're gonna be seeing it pop up just in a little bit here. And then I also got this wide leg pants. Guys, can we just give it up for wide leg pants? Like there's nothing as stylish as wide leg pants. Yes, quote me. For real. Like wide leg pants are just very versatile in my opinion, because like you can dress them down, like maybe wear it and put a crop top on it and maybe a little bit like going out to brunch or whatever, or you can put a blazer for that more dressed up look. But yeah, I got this lavender wide leg pants. I love the pleats, the details. I got it in an extra small. Yeah, it's an extra small, and the material, like Shein is, let's just talk about how Shein is improving with the materials. I know people are typically like hesitant to buy from Shein, and I used to be that way because it's like, I don't know, it's like fast fashion, China and everything. I personally have not had much issues with Shein because I look out for specific pieces that look like they have good quality, and I've been lucky, So this is one of them. The quality is perfect. It's not sheer. It has lining underneath. So it's well lined. It's not like it's gonna be sheer or anything. Okay, so the next item is this beautiful purple blazer. Like again, the quality is amazing for Shein. I mean, this blazer was like $30 or less even. but it has good quality. It's not sheer, it's not see-through or anything, it's not flimsy. So I would give it to Shein for their quality control. They're improving for sure. And then I have this yellow pants there because I'm gonna pair them together. You should be seeing that pop up in a little bit. So this yellow pants, of course, wide leg again. So I also buy wide leg pants because they really look good on, like, if you have some type of hourglass figure, or even if it's spoon figure, wide leg pants look really good on you because they bring out your hips, and they just pronounce that lower half of your body. So I really love this yellow. Again, bright colors, yay. Maybe this is slightly sheer, I'm not sure, I don't actually remember. But it's not too bad in terms of quality as well. It's not the best, but that's what you're gonna get for what, a $20 set of pants. I really like it. I have so many plans for this, so many plans. Next up is, have you really shopped if you don't have crop top on your list? Like, is that really shopping? Nah, not really. But I got this brown. It's looking a little weird right now, but you're gonna see a picture of it, of how it actually looks. But it's a brown crop top. Again, this is perfect for broad shoulders. I'm gonna be doing a video on how to style broad shoulders, but I got this because it's just perfect for that body feature. And I really like the whole boob thing going on. It's very sexy. So you compare this with like wide leg pants, or whatever, jeans, whatever you want to pair with. I like it. I got it in another color. I got it in lavender as well. Next up is, I got this one piece swimsuit. It's like this cutout. I love the cutout thing going on. And the great thing about swimsuits like this is you can also use them as bodysuits. So I actually plan on wearing them as bodysuits as well. So I got this in neon pink, and I also got it in green, this really bright neon green. So I'm super excited. Here it is. And I think there should be a video of me wearing it pop up soon as well. Yeah, bright colors, yay. Next I have this shorts. It's the pink shorts. I really like this pink. It's like bubblegum pink. You can tell I'm into a lot of pink during this period. I don't know, like, I feel like I have fashion seasons, like color seasons. I mean, like some seasons I'm just like, I'm really into teal, and I'm gonna buy a bunch of teal items. I know it's crazy, but pink is winning right now. It has pockets, that's a plus. And the material, not too bad as well. A little flimsy, but you can get away with it. It's not like super crazy, and it's a little like wide leg shorts. I didn't know there was anything as wide leg shorts, but they're wide leg. So yeah, this is also something. I don't think I have a picture of me wearing it yet, but you're gonna be seeing it. So follow me on Instagram if you want to see more of this. So next up, this particular item I'm really excited about because I've been looking for the perfect pumps for so long. Like black pumps. I mean, I needed like classic black pumps. So I found this on Shein as well. Yes, and they're very comfortable. I'm gonna tell you that. That was one of my criteria. I needed a very comfortable pair of pumps. So I can wear this to work, and I can wear them to like a more business casual event. I love this gold accent thing going on here. It's really nice. I mean, it gives it a little bit of an extra, but then it's Moyo, I'm extra, so how else would you know? So yeah, and I get to pair with my lovely Michael Kors purse. I just got this as well. So I needed something that was portable and just cute. So I got this. They're gonna be going together. They're gonna be buddies. I'm also a huge fan of hats. Accessories generally, they just they take an outfit from like a 7 to a 10, like real quick. So I got a bunch of accessories. Shein has really nice accessories as well. I got this black hat here. I love it because it's firm. It's really hard for me to find the perfect fedora or floppy hat that's affordable. Let's put that in there. That's affordable. Fedora hats can be really expensive, but this is more of a floppy hat, but it has that structure to it. I really wanted something with like good structure. So yeah, I got this on Shein. I'm gonna link all the prices down there. Actually, I'm just gonna put the direct link and you can go there and find whatever you're interested in buying, basically. And then I got these two hats. So they're straw hats, and they're gonna be perfect with my one piece swimsuits. I could wear them with my shorts. I particularly really like this brown one because I don't have any brown hat. So I'm just gonna try it on and yes, so yay for the hats. And it has this cute little bow thing at the back of it. I think it's really cute. Sunglasses will just make anything pop. Like you could be wearing jeans and t-shirt, put some sunglasses on, and yeah, you go from okay to oh. So I got some sunglasses. If you know me, you know that I'm obsessed with glasses. Like I probably have like 50 glasses right now. So I got this. It's actually a blue light glasses. So you can, if you're staring at the screen for a long period of time, which a lot of us are probably doing right now because we work from home. So this is a good thing to prevent you from the blue lights that probably affect your eyes in the long run. So aren't they cute? I love the cat eyes thing going on. So I got that, and then I also got these frames. I was a little nervous about this because I'm more of like cat eyes or round frames, but I'm not typically into square frames, but I think they look good. What you think? Yeah, so we're keeping this too. Super cute. And then I also got this one. It's a yellow. I got it specifically for my for my swimwear, so I can wear it with my swimsuit. Yeah, so they don't have like rims around them, and it's the style. Finally, from Shein, I got two kimonos. I got a white one and the nude one. So the nude one, or no, actually this is more like blush pink, I think, or rose pink or dusty rose or whatever. It's some shade of pink. So I got this. It has some sass to it. I can wear it on my swimwear, or even on like wide leg pants to go the extra mile, like it's my way. And then I also got the white one. It's not exactly the same, they're different, but I like it because it's white, and white goes with a lot of things, so I decided to get it. Yeah, so this is also from Shein. I also got this ring. This one, it's this minimalist, not this one. This one is from Rena, but this is from Shein as well. It's a cute little minimalist ring. So yeah, right. So this dress that I'm wearing as well is also from Shein. If you watched my video on trends for the spring from the runway, you know that the cutout is definitely a trend. So it's more of a dupe from one of like the famous designers, I think Lowe's or something, but I really like it. The material is amazing. It has this stretch. It's a little bit of a stretch, not too much stretch, but I want you though, it's slightly sheer, so you have to consider the kind of underwear that you're gonna wear when you're trying to wear this. But I really, really love the cutout, the whole thing going on. It's perfect for for the summer, like, what else do you want to wear if you don't wear this dress in the summer? Like, serious. On to Zara. I got just 2 items this time around. Can you imagine? I actually just controlled myself to get 2 items. But I got this turquoise blazer. Like I said, I'm upping my blazer game, and they're also in different colors. So now I have so many different colors of blazers. I got it in a size 2. It's a little bit structured, but I don't mind because I'm just gonna style it in a way that it's not too crazy with my broad shoulders. But yeah, Zara for the win. And then finally for Zara, I got this initialed charm. So it's M, my name Moyo. So I thought it was really cute. I'm just gonna use it as a pendant and wear it on my neck. But yeah, that's it. I really do hope you enjoyed this haul. And what did you find interesting? What did you like? What do you think you're gonna get for the summer? Talk to me in the comment section, and let's go out together this summer to slay. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media: Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. Follow me to find out more about how I style some of these items, and also other things that I do. I'm really cool on Instagram, guys. You should follow me. But anyways, bye guys. I hope you have a lovely rest of your week.